Hi, I'm Wendy Williams and this is Tai Chi Life. And this is the third video in a series we've done on squatting. The first was called Kitchen Tai Chi and then Happy Squatting, and now we're just finishing up with this one to give you a little inspiration. So I'm starting here with a picture of my kids when they were little and their friends. So you can see that they're sitting here squatting at the river, taking a look at what's going on and just how natural it is for them. And this video is a grandchild of some students who were in Aurora, and they managed to catch this picture of their 11-month-old granddaughter squatting and sent me this great letter to go with it. She can crawl faster than speeding grandparents and is standing, cruising, and ready to walk at any moment. But wow, is she good for our flexibility. We need to stoop to pick her up, get down on the floor to play with her, and bend over to change her, etc., etc., and you would envy her ability to squat. We will try to copy her skills, but we are just a few years older. Laugh out loud.
Get ready. There you go, real quick, quick. Woo. Got it?
And there she is. She's squatting, and it took them quite a while to capture this moment, but I'm so glad that they did. Thank you for sending this. On the other end of that scale, I got this fun little comic strip that was sent in by Marg from Newmarket. She said this was in the Toronto Star that morning. So this is pretty funny, and I'm sure a lot of us can relate, but it's why we keep working on it. So, why is a resting squat good for you? Based on commonly found research. Improve joint mobility in hips, knees, and ankles, increase spine flexibility, ease lower back pain, and open your hips. So when I talk about opening the hips, if you're able to get down in that squat, what you can do is press your knees open a little bit and sit in the squat like this. So that's just something to work toward if you're still working on it. And on that note, here are a few more examples of when you can practice squatting. So get your laptop and put it down on the floor and work on the floor for a while instead of in your chair. Or here's my mom, and she's providing a good example of squatting while dusting or, sweeping up a little bit. Thank you, Mom. And my mom's friend Helen sent in this idea that a good time to practice squatting is when she's cleaning the kitty litter. What do you think, Frank? So in the first video, the Kitchen Tai Chi, we talked about using the counter to help you get into a lower squat. If you're outside, you could use a tree. That's a good thing to work on. Just hold the tree. Or if you have a partner, if you're stuck at home these days and you've got a partner who's willing to work with you, you can do this. Just get your partner by the wrist and you can practice squatting down together like this and then coming back up together, or sort of take turns. So you could go down together and one can go up first and help pull the other one up, and vice versa. So I hope you keep at it. We've got horse stance we were working on before, squatting, and we've got some new ideas coming out each week for you to keep working on Tai Chi life, things that you can do in your everyday life to improve your flexibility, your strength, and whether it's in Tai Chi practice or daily life skills. So stay healthy. Talk to you next week.